Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In a step-by-step tutorial, we're going to show you a super simple and beginner-friendly method how you can bend or curve texts for your presentations on Google Slides without any editing skills needed whatsoever. So drop a like, and now let us jump right into it. So let me go, for example, with that example text here, what people are saying. So what you want to do in the first step, guys, is highlight the text and copy it by pressing Ctrl+C on your keyboard, or Command-C if you're using a Mac. And after that, what you want to do, guys, is use an external site to apply the bend or curving. So what you want to do is, guys, is head over to a website called inkpx.com, just like that, inkpx.com. You may also simply use the Google search and type in the search bend text generator, and you will see the inkpx website among the search results below. So click on it, open it, and below select your type of bending or curving. So let me go with, for example, let's say a text and wave, like that one here, just for the sake of this tutorial. So click on it. And in the last step, what you want to do, guys, is enter your text where it says text here. So let me delete that default example text and paste in our text. And yeah, do some kind of customization below. For example, you may, for instance, adjust the size of your text, or choose a different font, or choose a different font color, adjust the alignment, for example, left, middle, right, the chart spacing, and so on and so forth. And once you're ready for takeoff, guys, simply scroll down a bit, click on download here at the bottom, choose your file output file format like PNG or JPEG, confirm by clicking on download, wait for the download to be processed, and after a moment, head back to your presentation on Google Slides. And what you want to do is simply insert the downloaded JPEG file by clicking on PNG file, sorry, by clicking on insert here at the top, then hover your mouse over image, select upload from computer, and locate the file on your device. So let me do that really quickly. And after a moment, simply position it where you would like to have it placed. Like let me delete the previous text just for the sake of this tutorial. And yeah, simply place it somewhere here, for example. And that's it, guys. That's how I do it. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we see you next time on our channel.